Will chin-ups build muscle? That's what we will discuss in this video. Hey, it's Oskar from GoPrimate here, and in this video we're going to discuss if chin-ups will build muscle and how you should do them for best results. So shortly put, yes, chin-ups will build muscle. They are very effective at building muscle in your lats and in your biceps, and they also engage your abs to some extent, but I wouldn't rely on chin-ups for a ab exercise by themselves. But in order to get the best results from your chin-ups, you need to do them in a specific way. Now let's go through the correct way to do chin-ups for the most amount of muscle. The first thing you want to do is to retract your shoulder blades. So you want to pull your shoulder blades down halfway, so not all the way down, but halfway. From here I want you to focus on pulling with your elbows and pull all the way up until your upper chest touches the bar. Have a slight hole at the top, and then put the brakes on the way down. So don't just collapse down with gravity, instead you control the movement on the way down. So you put the brakes on, come down in a controlled way. Now when it comes to the shoulder retraction phase, you actually have two options here. The first one is that you retract your shoulder blades and you keep your shoulder blades in this position throughout the whole set. So you do your repetitions and your shoulder blades stay in the same position at the whole time. Now option number two is going to be that you start the movement off with a passive hang. You retract your shoulder blades halfway, you do your repetition, you come down and you go back to a passive hang, and for the next repetition you retract the shoulder blades again. Now this way is going to give you a very good stretch in your back, and that is very beneficial when it comes to building muscle mass. So that is something that bodybuilders often also use just to get that stretch component and get a full contraction. But the first option, so the one where you keep your shoulder blades retracted throughout the whole set, that has its own benefits as well, and especially if you're somebody who struggles with shoulder pain when you do chin-ups, then this might be the better option for you, because this will in a way protect your shoulders. Now I will ideally recommend that you do both of these, right, to get a different variation and slightly different stimulus. I recommend that you keep repetitions on 6 to 50 repetitions when you do chin-ups, and you also want to have around 60 to 90 seconds of rest in between your sets. And a bonus thing here that's going to be a big impacting factor: if you're able to use a 3-0-1-1 tempo. That means that on the way down, you're going to be coming down on a count of 3 or 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. At the bottom position, you're going to be spending 0 seconds. And on the way up, you're going to take around 1 second to come up. And at the very top position, you're going to be holding it for around 1 second or so. So if you implement the technique points I mentioned here before, and you also make sure you have that time retention, you will be able to build a lot of muscle mass with chin-ups alone. And hey, if you really want to take your back size to the next level, then I highly recommend you look at this video right here, which is going to teach you which pull-ups are going to be the best for developing a really impressive back. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please go ahead and leave this video a like, it's highly appreciated, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to optimize your body weight, ring and at-home fitness training. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.